My name is Megan Yemma and welcome to Tech Coach HQ. Today I'm going to talk about a tool called Canva. That's canva.com. First thing you'll need to do is sign up for an account. Here's where I've signed in for my account. And you can design, basically what it is a graphic design tool. So you can design images for all these different purposes. So for example, it might be social media, or you might have a presentation, poster, an A4 flyer, Twitter post, even a business card, or if you're into Pinterest. But the other great thing is you can also do custom dimensions. So if I go in here, I can actually choose pixels, millimeters, or inches. So for example, a gift voucher is 210 millimeters in width, but by 99 in height. You choose millimeters and then you go design. But today I am going to go back and do a social media image. So it's 800 pixels. So it comes up with the stock standard size for social media. So it's already perfectly customized, and you're going to get a blank canvas. We're just waiting for it to come through. So here is the square that you're going to design your actual image in. So we've got search, which is where I can type in for all my images. Now, the way Canva works is there's lots of free images, but sometimes there's ones that you have to pay. And the way it works is you pay $1 for the image. You have 24 hours to publish that graphic. If you don't publish it, once you've published and you don't download it, then you actually have to pay $1 again. But I'll explain how I get around that in a minute. We've got text, background, and uploads. So the moment we're in layouts. Now, there's some beautiful templates in here that you can use without actually having to go and recreate the wheel, so to speak. You can always change the background. There's some amazing backgrounds. But in the uploads, if I just go here, I can actually already bring in some images that I've got of my own. So you just drag and drop. You can see I've got my logo, I've got my business card, and like here's some clouds background that I've found through Google. Copyright friendly, of course. And so we're going to go back here and see if we can find a layout that I like. So there's some great ones here, and I'm just going to look for something that I can easily change the background. So I'm going to click and drag and drop. So here is my creation or template ready to go. So if I click here, I will come up with the style of text and the color so I can change it. So you can see I've got copy, forward, back, type is, and underneath here is also some great tools. And right, go to the back one. So not, and if I go there, I can also want click here. So if you go to image color picker, you can actually find out the code. So I'm going to put red, and then you can move it along here. That's more like my red. You can also change the background. So if I go back, so here is my creation or template ready to go. Again, so if I have a plain color, or you can actually do, I will come up with the style of text and the color so I can change it. And this one's actually currently got a about versus. So you can see I've got copy, forward, back. I'm just going to drag. Type is, And underneath here is also some great tools. So you can see that thing set there. If I wanted to bring that forward as an overlay, I can do that and make it transparent. So might just change the colours. So I don't really like the white. If I go there, or the black, sorry, I can also, and that's got some pencils. So again, those images that you can change. We're just going to to white. Now, Canva's really good in that you can actually save those colours or save the text. But I'll show you that perhaps in another tutorial. So if you go to Image Colour Picker, again, change it. You can actually find out the code. So I'm going to put, and so I'm really happy with that now. Or I could change the background again. And then you can once I'm finished with my image, I just go to download or link. Like my red. You can also change the background. You get two options when you go to download. You can either publish as an image or as a pen. You have a plain colour, or you can actually do something with it. All pages. Or this one's actually got a currently got a about great thing about Canva is you also can collaborate. Someone that web link here. I'm just going to drag anyone to collaborate. What I show you is if you've got, so you can see that template that you want to set up. I wanted to bring that forward as an overlay. I can do that and make it transparent. So might just change and it will just replicate exactly the same image again with the same font, the black. Sorry, for doing a presentation, and that's got some pencils. Where you get those images of your brand, or it might be an invitation or something like that. But if you just want to exactly repeat it, and then I just change the colour. Now, Canva's really good in that you can actually save those. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks to Megan Yemmer from Tech Coach. I'll show you that perhaps in another tutorial. So again, change it to connected. And so I'm really happy with that now. Or I could change the background again. Once I'm finished with my image, I just go to download or link. Now you get two options when you go to download. You can either publish as an image or as a PDF. Here, advanced all pages, or great thing about Canva is you also can collaborate. Someone that web link here, anyone to collaborate. What I show you is if you've got a template that you want to set up, you can actually just copy the page. A little icon here is just copy. And it will just replicate exactly the same image, again with the same font, for doing a presentation where you want consistency of your brand, or it might be an invitation or something like that. But if you just want exactly repeated, and then I just change the colour. So that's Canva. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks, Megan Yemmer from Tech Coach HQ.